Well, Greg, this is a beauty, and I think it's wonderful that the Rocky Mountain Concours got a class for historic hot rods, and this is a historic hot rod, right?
Yes, it is.
Now, when was this baby first built?
It was originally built in 1948.
Wow.
Built in California as a fenderless, low boy style. It was channeled and had this track nose, aluminum track nose, hood and side panels. About 1955, it was sold out of California and went up to Washington. And a member of the Grinders Car Club up there bought it. Painted it light blue, called it baby blue, showed it at some of the local shows. He sold it to another member of the car club in about 1957. That member took the flathead out of it, put in this Chevrolet 265, which was a crate motor at the time, punched it out to 283, added the intake with the 494 carburetors.
I like that.
Put fenders on it because of the rain up there.
Yeah.
Completed the upholstery, added the roll bar, and pretty much just like it was.
Well, how did you come to own it?
Well, about 2000, I saw the track nose and the hood and side assembly on eBay. And I had another project I was working on. I went ahead and purchased it off of eBay, got it, decided I didn't really like it, put it back on eBay. While I was on eBay, I received an email from an individual, one of the previous owners of the car. He told me he took the nose off of the car and he's still on the car that came off of, and give him a call. So I did, and about 2 years later, I own the car.
So you had the nose, you just had to get the rest of the car to go with it.
Exactly. It all came back together.
Well, now, so when you started rebuilding it, I mean, did you bring it back to the way it was in one of its incarnations?
Yes, this is the stage it was from about 1959 through 69 or 70. It was in Hot Rod magazine and several of the magazines back in the 60s. Hot Rod was February 1961.
This very car?
This car in this condition.
And like interior and stuff, did you bring it back to look just like that?
Identical.
Wow, 61.
Yeah. 1961.
How cool is that? So was it a massive project, or was it intact, or?
It was still intact. Everything was rebuilt, so it took a lot of time just finding people that could rebuild some of this old stuff.
Yeah.
And
did you rebuild versus replace wherever you could?
Right.
Man, so the fenders are bobbed?
Fenders are bobbed, short in front and rear.
And she's been channeled?
Channeled down 6 inches.
And the color?
The color is 1959 Buick Lido Lavender, 1 year only on this color. It was painted in '59, and it just makes the car period perfect.
It definitely does. And you've named it for the color, right?
Back when it was shown in the 50s and 60s, when it was shown under the name of Leapin Lido. So in honor of that, we did letter the gas tank.
And she's Leapin Lido again.
She's Leapin Lido again.
Well, I think it's a wonderful car. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. Again, wonderful that they've got a class for historic hot rods.
They've treated us great, and it's just a lovely place to be.
The Broadmoor. What a setting, huh?
Yeah, beautiful.
Well, I tell you, I love Leapin Lido, Greg. Thanks for bringing her out.
Thanks, Dennis. Appreciate it.
Great car, buddy.